not gonna launch or anything. We're just
sure, yeah.
4-wheel drive sport.
You know the vibes, fam. E85, $2.55. Not bad. Running on an empty tank basically right now, so fill it up all the way. You can see just how much pollen is all over the whole city. Everything is covered. Lights still look really good. Nice. But yeah, just look at all that yellow stuff on the ground, man. That's just pollen. It's all over the pumps. And as soon as you touch that and then you get it in your eyes, for me, that's the big issue. But she is looking pretty, guys. Alignment is bang on. Gonna put some new spark plugs on in 2 days, and then we'll get some performance numbers. All right, fam, what is good? Today, we have the Gpace VT1 from Europe. And if you guys know what the Draggy is, this is a new competitor on the market, more accurate, more features, and it has AI built in. So this is what it looks like. Very slim device. There is an app as well. This is the Gpace VT1, guys. Comes with a charging cable. They included some nice stickers and of course the user manual. This is pretty easy to use. I'm gonna put it through its paces. I'm waiting to get spark plugs put in the car on Tuesday, and then we will get some times with this, all right? So look forward to that, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Right now, it is so hazy outside from all the pollen. So let's make our way over to the car wash real quick. Open the valves. What's happening right now in fourth gear is the spark plugs are blowing out and it's causing a disruption at the top end of fourth gear. It's almost like a fuel cutout. So I won't be able to get accurate times right now. We might get a 0 to 60 in, so stay tuned, guys. I might use it today to show you a sneak peek, and then I'll do a full review. Depending on the amount of pollen, I might have to take some eye drops because geez, I could feel it in my left eye. I've been keeping eye drops with me. Yesterday we had the highest pollen ever on record. right, fam, so we got a pretty chill stretch up ahead. I'm gonna kind of just chill with the car, talk about some things now. So I talked about luck in one of my previous videos, luck and fortune. And over time, if you think you're smarter than everyone and you don't do anything, guess what? You're gonna have bad luck and you're gonna have bad fortune. So luck and fortune build up over time by trying things that you're uncomfortable at. And as you try things over time, you master them. And when you master them, you actually build your fortunate outcomes. You build the potential, a greater chance for a positive potential. Essentially, you're helping shift the outcome based on your mastery because you've kept trying despite failing. And a lot of people, they give up right about before they see a little bit of progress that would have motivated them to keep going. And that is actually the difficult part, where mastery is not always going to be shown to you with progress in the terms that you're thinking of. And so I promise you, if you're consistent with something and it doesn't take that many hours to become like in the 95 percentile of things in the world, you really just need about 100 hours in any specific like task, subject, area of expertise, and you will become in the top 5 percentile. So 95% of other people will not be able to do that task as well as you. And that takes 100 hours. And you can do 100 hours of something in 3 months easily if you dedicate some time each week to it. If you're able to break things down that way, you're not measuring progress as if you're getting likes, views, monetization, and dollars. You're just measuring progress of showing up and putting in the work to get to that 100 hours, so that now you're better than 95% of people at that task. Now you can layer other things on top of that, the strategy, the marketing, the business tactics, the sales. But once you have that mastery, that area of expertise, no one can take that from you ever. You've put the time and effort in, and you've built yourself luck, and you've built yourself fortune. So keep that in mind, guys.